Today I am making a simple and tasty Punjabi style sprout and potato curry. This curry is made with olive oil, garlic, onion, tomatoes, Indian spices, and dry fenugreek leaves, also known as Kasuri though. It is a light, healthy, and home-style dish that tastes amazing with chapati or rice. First, I heat a little olive oil in the pan. When the oil becomes warm, I add chopped garlic and let it turn slightly golden. Garlic gives a beautiful flavor to this curry. Next, I add chopped onions and cook them until they become soft and light brown. Now I add the tomatoes. I cook the tomatoes until they become soft and mix well with the onions. This creates a nice base for the curry. Then I add all the Indian spices: salt, red chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, and a little cumin powder. Mix everything well so the masala blends nicely. Now it is time to add the boiled potatoes. I cut the potatoes into small pieces and mix them gently with the masala. They cook quickly, so I mix them with the potatoes and masala and let everything cook together for a few minutes. Potatoes absorb the flavors very well and make the curry more filling. I mix everything well and let the curry cook on low heat so all the flavors come together. After this, I add the sprouts. Sprouts are very healthy and full of protein. After a few minutes, the curry becomes thick, soft, and full of flavor. This Punjabi-style sprout and potato curry is now ready to serve. It tastes amazing with chapati, roti, or rice. We made this curry today and our whole family enjoyed it together. To give extra flavor, I add dry fenugreek leaves, also called huaso rame, though. This gives a beautiful aroma and a real Punjabi taste. You can try this recipe at home as well. If you make it, feel free to share your experience with me. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next recipe.